What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's up, loves? Welcome. I am your girl, Tonyanicole, and welcome, guys, to my channel. Today on the platter, we have a surprise because I did not know that I was going to be receiving this box. It's from slayglambeautybox. Now, this just showed up. I didn't know that she was going to send me this month's box, but I'm very excited to see what we got in this baby. So if you guys are equally as excited, don't move, boo. Stay right there. It's coming. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right, loves. So we got Slay Glam that popped up in our mailbox, and I'm excited to see it and see what we got in March's box. I hope this is March's box. We'll see once we open it because I haven't opened it yet. They do have some new packaging though that I am feeling. I do like this a little better than the little purse thing that they had before. I used to unbox Slay Glam a while back on my channel, and I stopped getting it, and then she sent me a couple boxes in PR. I mean, so it's been kind of like here or there, but it popped up today. So I say, you know what? Let's go in and film it and see, because I used to be a true Slay Glam-aholic. I loved their subscription. Now, I do know that she is having issues with shipping for Slay Glam box as well as the Beat Face box. I remember I won a year subscription with Beat Face box, and I think I only received like 2 boxes. So I know she's been having issues with shipping, and I've been seeing some of the comments. So y'all let me know down below if you're still rocking with Slay Glam or Beat Face box, or what your status is on them. But today, guys, we're going to do it. I want to shout out my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all dearly. I do not have a drink, but you guys can take a dance break and a drink break. Ooh. Slay Glam box is a beauty subscription. This one is $24 per month. You're supposed to receive 5 to 7 full-size products in this box, and it's supposed to have a minimum value of $100. I do have a link down below, or a code, I can't remember which one, but it will save you some coins on the purchase of your box if you want to check them out. So yeah, boo. So without further ado, let's get this box on and poppin', boo. All right, loves, let's go ahead on and cut it open and cut down my straps. I'm going to cut that. I'm going to cut the middle. All right, let's see. Okay, so when we open it, you open it like this, and this is the contents on the inside right there. I'm just going to pull everything out. Let's see if we have a little card, which I don't think we do. So we do not have a card in this box, so I will not know prices, guys, as well as retail values. But if you do get Slay Glam and you look these prices up, please go ahead and drop in the comments and let us know the value of the box. And let's just go with what I see first. And from Double Dare, it is the 4HD Sleek Eyeliner right here. That's what it's looking like. And it's a felt tip liner right there. And it appears to be in the shade black. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Ooh, okay. So nice thin line. There we go. Alrighty. So we do have an eyeliner. Now it looks like it's going to dry down to be matte, but I'll let you guys know at the end of the video if I remember. So far, it's nice and pigmented. It's not running or nothing right now. So, all right. I can always use a black liner, y'all. I do love to line my eyes for work. So this is always good for me to get. All right. So next up, we have this bullet lipstick from O'Kalin. That's what it's looking like right there. The packaging is really sparkly and really pretty. Let's cut it open and see. So when we take it out of the package, this is what it looks like. A beautiful shimmery pink lipstick. And, oh, okay. All right, boo, we got a nice little red, but as y'all can see, it has like some glitter in it. Now, I remember we got something like this from BoxyCharm. I think Hank and Henry has a lipstick like this. And I don't know if it's in the lipstick. Let's see if we slide. So it looks like it's not the shimmer, the little glitter stuff is not in the lipstick. I think it's just on the outside. And that's a good old hooker red. So when I swatched it, it looked, you know, no glitter came off. So it's just kind of like a decoration, I'm going to say, just to give it a little bit more of a wow factor. I need to wipe this off though, because look at the mess I made. Like, that's not necessary. All right, girl. So next we have from Doe Color, and it says Dream in Color. This little pack, and on the back it has number 406. So let's see. Ooh, oh, okay. So we get 4 eye brushes. And let me tell y'all something. Doe Color's brushes are really nice. I do love their brushes. So let's see. This is what they're looking like right there, loves. Let's pull that down just a tad bit. That's what it looks like. And we get, look like some shader brushes and blending brushes. So yeah, I'm very excited to see this. Very nice. The bristles are soft. I do like these. Okay, y'all know I love brushes, so this is always good to get. And our last 2 products are palettes. Ooh, 2 palettes, y'all. All right, so first is from O'Kalin, and this is the Natural Color Dimensional Highlighting Palette in the shade Cool right there. So let's see what Cool looks like. That's the outside package. I mean, this is the packaging with the cover off. Oh, girl, we get a mirror. Hey, boo. Ooh, okay. So let's fold this back. And this is the palette. Now, I'm going to try to take the plastic off without touching it because I may be putting this in a giveaway, y'all. All right, that's the palette right there. So right here, we have a nice green type shade. I hope you guys can see it. I don't think the camera's picking it up. This is like a bronzy shade right here. Then a dark purple, a pink, and a gold. So there y'all see it right there. This is beautiful, actually. And I think that this will complement a lot of skin tones. And if you cannot use it as a highlighter, I think it would be beautiful as like a topper or like an inner corner highlight for your eyes. So this is very pretty. And this is very different than the normal highlighters that we're used to seeing. Usually it's like a lavender purple, but in this one you get a nice dark purple, which I think will actually look really good on deeper and medium skin tones, actually. Okay, so this is the first palette, highlighting palette. And then we have from Mora, this Flirting Flamingos Exotic Series palette. All right, this must be an eyeshadow palette. Let's see. All right, that's what it looks like. Ooh, girl, we get another mirror. Hey, boo. First of all, is a gorgeous, gorgeous palette. Look at this palette, guys. This is beautiful. I really, really, really like this palette. You have some pressed glitters, matte shades, shimmer shades. Is that highlights? Let me see what that is on the back. Let's see what it says. It doesn't say anything. I don't know if it's like highlighters or just like eyeshadows or whatever. It doesn't say. Okay, but that's okay. I'm going to swatch a couple of these because I want to see what they look like. We're going to first off swatch this right here. Ooh, we're going to do a dark shade. We're going to do a glitter. We're going to do a shimmer. Let's do another shimmer. Let's do more. Okay, that's what they look like on my fingertips. That's how they swatched out. That's just one swatch, guys. A little bit powdery, a little spotty, but you know, this is only one swatch, so we don't know how it will look like on the actual eye, but it's okay. It's okay, palette. I just need to make sure I use this and see how it blends out on the eye. So we got an eyeshadow palette as well. All right, so that was our final product in Slay Glam box for the month of March. We're going to quickly recap, do final thoughts, and we're going to be done. I need to wipe my hands first. So we got this palette, this eyeshadow palette right here from Mora. From O'Kalin, this highlighting palette here. From Doe Colors, these 4 eyeshadow brushes. From O'Kalin, this lipstick right here. And from Double Dare, this eyeliner. So these 5 products right here, my loves. Okay, final thoughts on this box. I do like the fact that they kept along with the theme of bright, springy colors, like with the brushes and the eyeshadow palette. I do like that. I do like that you get 2 palettes. You get some brushes, lipstick. I do like that this box is very makeup heavy, so that is definitely a plus for me. I thought overall, I thought it was a pretty decent box for the month of March. The only thing I kind of thought was like a filler product would be the eyeliner, but you got eyeshadow palette, brushes, and an eyeliner, so that does complete a whole look. And I'm not mad at it, guys. I'm not. I thought it was pretty okay for the month of March. Let me know your thoughts on this box. Let me know what your rating would be. If I had to rate it, I think I would give it a solid 3 for the month of March. But you guys let me know what you think, because y'all know I love to hear your opinion on what y'all think of these subscription boxes. But yes, loves, that's all that I have for this Slay Glam box unboxing. Make sure if you haven't done so already, you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you follow me on both of my Instagrams, my YouTube Instagram and my nail Instagram. Both of those are linked down below. Give this video a big thumbs up, guys. If this is the kind of content that you like seeing from me, I'm always rushing and talking fast. I don't know why. And that's all that I have, guys. Until next time, the next video, you guys stay blessed. I'll talk to you in the comments and on my next video. Bye, loves.